Welcome back, Sauce and Gravy Nation, to another great salad dressing recipe. If you're a first-time viewer, welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, and I'm going to show you how to make a horseradish mustard salad dressing. Buckle up, let's go! To a mixing bowl, add 1/4 cup or 60 grams of your favorite mayo. If you'd like to go all out and make your own homemade mayo, I'm going to put a link in the description box below for a homemade recipe. Time to round up that horseradish. 2 tablespoons, 35 grams, throw it in. To this, you'll add 2 tablespoons or 40 grams of Dijon mustard. Make sure that you get it all. Now comes the sweetness. You have a choice here. I'm adding maple syrup, 2 teaspoons. However, if you don't have maple syrup or if you don't like it, you can add honey. Time to round it off with some salt, and of course where there's salt, there's pepper. 1 teaspoon of each. Nice work, you're almost done. It's time to add the liquids and then you'll be well on your way. First, you'll pour in apple cider vinegar, 4 tablespoons, 60 milliliters. And finally, you'll add the oil. I'm using extra virgin olive oil, 4 tablespoons or 60 milliliters. You'll be happy to know this is another one of those very versatile salad dressing type recipes. Obviously, it works well on a salad, but you can also use it as a sauce substitute for a prime rib or even a steak. It's a knockout. Break out that whisk and whisk for a few seconds. It comes together and emulsifies really quickly. And that, Sauce and Gravy Nation, is all there is to it. Now, you just dive in and enjoy. Thank you for watching and all of your kind support. And if you found this recipe helpful, smash that like button. And you know, if you're not a member of the Sauce and Gravy community just quite yet, smash that subscribe button to stay tuned to the latest and greatest sauce making tips and techniques. And remember, keep whisking, y'all.